Hey friends, it's me, Courtney from Know Your Produce, and today we're gonna be trying Color Rush Blueberries. These are premium blueberries from Nature Ripe. I found them at ShopRite, and we're gonna see how they taste. They're supposedly wild colors sweetened by the sun, and they're supposed to be really sweet. So they are green, which would be amazing if you were growing them in your own backyard, right? Because birds love blueberries that are blue or even pink or a little bit of purple. But the fact that they're green and sweet, the birds won't want them. But unfortunately, it's their own proprietary plant, so let's give them a taste. Now, if you've ever tried a green blueberry that is in a blue container, it's gonna be sour, so let's give it a taste. It's got a little bit of purplish on there, but it's mostly green. That is a sweet blueberry. Okay, this one is really all green. Sweet. I'm really expecting it to be sour because a green blueberry is sour. These are great. I wish they were organic. But look, they're really not even sour, a bit, not even a bit. Let's try a really purpley one. Wow, these are really good. They taste like blueberries, but really sweet. I mean, I've eaten a few already and I have not had a sour one. They're delicious. All right, I'm gonna save the rest for my family. We're gonna enjoy these after dinner. They are super sweet and they're delicious. There is no sourness at all. Sorry, it's dripping, I did just wash them. They are so sweet and they look intimidating because look, they're green. Wow, so if you see some Color Rush blueberries, give them a try. These are by Nature Ripe. I found them at my local ShopRite. And if you don't see them, you could always ask your produce manager, hey, I heard about this product. Are you able to get it in? That's something I say about all new products. I always encourage you to ask your produce manager or even the store manager. I wanna thank you guys so much for watching. If you wanna try some other new fruits or know about more of your produce, Know Your Produce. Check out more of my playlists. I will see you guys soon. Take care and God bless you, friends. Bye.